In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change image settings in Canva. We'll walk through a simple beginner-friendly process so you can quickly adjust any photo inside your Canva design and make it look exactly the way you want. Even if you're new to Canva, by the end of this video, you'll feel confident tweaking brightness, contrast, size, and other basic settings. First, make sure you're logged into your Canva account and have a design open that already contains a photo. Once your design is open, start by clicking directly on the photo you want to edit. You can do this from any page of your design. When you click the image, you should see a border appear around it, along with a toolbar, either above the design or on the side. This tells you that the image is selected and ready to be edited. With the photo selected, look for the option labeled Edit, usually found above the canvas or near the image tools. Go ahead and click on Edit. This will open up Canva's editing panel, where you can access different tools for changing how your image looks. Inside that editing panel, you'll see an option called Adjust. Click on Adjust to open the detailed image settings. This is where you can fine-tune things like brightness, contrast, saturation, and more. Think of this section as your photo tuning area. If your image looks too dark, increase the brightness slightly. If the colors look a bit washed out, try increasing the contrast or saturation a little at a time. You can also test other sliders such as clarity or warmth to see how they change the mood of your photo. As you move each slider, keep an eye on your image in the main canvas to see how it updates in real time. If something doesn't look right, you can drag the slider back or reset that setting. The idea is to make small changes, check the result, and then adjust again if needed. Finally, follow the on-screen prompts that Canva provides. Depending on your version, Canva may show tooltips, suggested adjustments, or quick options to help you enhance your image faster. These prompts can guide you toward common improvements, like automatically balancing colors or sharpening details. Once you're happy with how everything looks, simply click away from the panel or onto another part of your design.